Hanna and Elmo, Wyoming have been plagued by AML features in recent years, since mining in the early 1900s. Over 250 subsidences are in the current AML inventory. In 2022, during exploratory drilling above Hanna No. 3 near County Road 297, several AML features appeared. One, a 12-foot deep subsidence sank a water truck. Soon after, the county commissioners closed the bridge until reclamation could take place. Closing Route 297 limited one of the few routes in and out of Hanna, hindering the town's emergency services access. Using funds from the bipartisan infrastructure law, the team was able to mitigate the underground threat by pumping over 26,000 cubic yards of void-fill grout. During construction, the team used drone photo mapping and LiDAR to identify areas subject to historic undermining. And during grout pumping, they also structurally monitored for any potential movement to ensure the integrity of the bridge and embankments. This project, in partnership between Wyoming AML, Carbon County Road and Bridge Department, local communities, and many more, has resulted in this Environmental Justice 40 Initiative identified community having stable and safe access for years to come. This and more is why the Hanna No. 3 Mine Subsidence and Bridge Repair Project is selected for the 2024 Abandoned Mineland Reclamation Western States Award.